Good morning to all. Welcome to Ananshit Academy. Good morning, Praneeth Krishna. Okay. Good morning, Bhargav Sai, Jagarao. Good morning, Padma, Praneeth, and Hanish. Okay. Today our concept is the functions of body parts of plants. Okay. The functions of body parts of plants. Plants has also have a body parts. Okay. Okay. Let us explain biology. What is biology? Biology is a study of life. Life means we can study about plants, study about animals, study about human beings, study about insects. Okay, so biology means study about life. This includes all living organisms from the simplest to the most complex. Okay, it is study small microorganisms to human beings. Okay, that is biology. The next one is parts of, just a minute. Okay, parts of plants. What are the parts in plants? The part of the plant that appears above the ground level is called had a shoot. Okay, this is shoot system, children. This is shoot system. It is appear above the ground. Okay, it is appears above the ground. That is called a shoot system. This is called shoot system. Okay, until the ground. And when the part of the plant and which lies underneath the soil is called the root system. This is root system. Okay, underneath this part of the plant underneath the soil called as a root system. Okay, this part of plant above the ground known as a shoot system, and this part of the plant underneath the soil known as a root system. Okay, plants form the most vital and most essential, means most important and essential component of our environment. Okay, plants are very important role in our environment. Okay, children. And the next one is, what are the parts of plants? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. These are the parts of plants. Okay, roots, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers. These are the parts of the plant. Okay, now we know about each part. The first one is roots. The first one is plant root. It is underground part of the plant. Where it is located in plant? It is underground part. It is underneath in the soil. Okay, children. And it's developed from the radicals of a germinating seed. Okay. The first thing is the roots are developed from the radicals. Okay. From the germinating seed, and they are the agents responsible for delivering water and minerals to the plants. What is the function of? What is the work of roots? The roots are collect the water, salts, and minerals from the soil. Okay, the roots collect the water, salts, and minerals from the soil. Okay, and deliver to the remaining parts of the plants. Okay, and it also help in anchoring the plant to the soil. Okay, not only collect the minerals and salts and water, and it also work as a anchoring the plant to the soil. Okay, what is anchoring means? This is like a stand. Okay, this is like a stand anchoring the soil. Okay, and give strength to the tree. Anchoring the soil and give strength to the tree. Okay, children. The next point is storing food. Just a minute. Okay. Storing food in the roots help them to use it during the scarcity of food and survive. Some plants, okay, some plants of roots have a ability to store food. Some plants of roots ability to store food. Okay, for example, there is a lesser chance of photosynthesis. Okay, lesser chance of photosynthesis due to less availability of a sunlight during the winter times. Okay, that situations, those plants store food in a root system. Okay, where is the scarcity of sunlight, where is the scarcity of photosynthesis, that time the plants store food in the root system. Okay, in situation like this, plants like a carrots and radishes, this is radish. Okay, this is radish. Carrots and radishes live on the stored food, survive through the winter. Okay, these vegetables store in a roots, radishes and carrots. These two vegetables, not only two, and many of these vegetables store in the plant's roots. And roots that store food minerals are called as a tuberous roots. These are called as a tuber roots. Okay, these roots called as a tuber roots. These roots called as a fiber roots. Okay, these roots called as a fiber roots. These roots called as a what we call tuber roots. Okay, do you understand? Okay, plants roots work as a collective minerals, salts, and water. Okay, and they work as a anchor into the soil and give strength to the plants. And roots work as a stored food. For example, radishes and carrot. These plants store food in root system. Okay, children. The next part is stem. The next part is stem. It bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Okay, this is branch. This is stem. This stem bears branches, flowers, leaves, and fruits. Okay, and stem generally grow above the ground, and hence it is considered as a aerial part of the plants. Okay, we can see stem. Okay, it grow above the ground. We can see this part of the plant. Okay, that's why we call as a aerial part of the plant. It can absorb air. That's why we call as a aerial part of the plant. Which is the aerial part of the plant? Stem system is aerial part of the plant. Okay, children. And it conducts water and minerals, salts from the roots to leaves and fruits. Okay, it is work as a conductor. Roots segregate or collect water and minerals and soils from the soil. Okay, and the stem system conduct those water, minerals, and salts. Okay, deliver to each part of the plant. Each part of the plant. For example, leaves, fruits, branches. Okay, who conduct these minerals? Stem conduct these minerals. Okay, to each part of the plant. The another important is there are two types of transport tissues in stem system. Okay, there are two types of transport tissues in stem systems. One transport tissue is xylem, and the transport tissue called as a phloem. Okay, one transport tissue called as in stem system called as a xylem, and another one is a phloem. Do you understand, children? In stem system, there are two tissues, two transport tissues. Okay, those are, the first one is xylem and another one is phloem. Okay, do you understand until now? Please raise your hands. Until now, we learn about root system and now we learn stem system. Please raise your hands. Very good. Very good, Pranit, Krishna, Anish. Okay. These are the two tissues in stem system. Okay. Water and solutes. Solutes means minerals. Water and solutes are transported by the xylem from the roots to the leaves, and food is transported from the leaves to the rest of the plant by the phylum. Okay. Please listen carefully. Okay. The xylem tissue. Okay. The xylem tissue transport water and minerals to the leaves from the roots. Okay, the xylem tissues in the stem system, okay, work has a water and minerals collected from the roots and transported to the leaves, fruits, branches. Okay, and the tissue is phylum tissue. This phylum tissue work has a deliver food to the roots. Okay, deliver food to the roots. Okay, these are the two tissues in stem system. It bears, it means stems. Stems bears leaves and hold them in a such manner. Such manner means this like. Okay, so that they can get a maximum sunlight. Okay, the stems bears and hold the leaves this like. Okay, that's why those leaves are observe sunlight maximum. 90% of sunlight they observe. And stems branches help in the providing support to its various parts. Okay, stems branches help providing support to its various parts. Means leaves, fruits, flowers. Those of the parts attached to the stem and give strength to those parts. Okay. And another one is the plants which store food in their stem are, for example, cactus, okay, bamboo, pineapple, potato, ginger, onion, banana. Okay, some stems, some plants have a stems. They have a ability to store food. Okay, what are those types of plants? Bamboo, cactus. Cactus means Brahmajamudu, Nagajamudu. Okay, and pineapple and potato, ginger, onion, banana. These are the plants store food in stems. These are the plants store food in stems. Okay, but carrot and radishes, those are the plants store food in roots. Okay, this cactus, bamboo, pineapple, potato, ginger, onion, banana. These are the trees store food in the stem. Okay, so it work as a storage part of the plant. And another one important part is the underground modification of stem is called a rhizome. Okay, the underground modification stem is called a rhizome. This is very important. And another one is supporting, okay, functions of stems. What are the main functions of stems? They give support to the leaves, fruits, branches. Okay, the stem support to the leaves, flowers, branches. Okay, and transporting the minerals and water. Okay, transporting they collected from the roots and transport to the remaining parts of the plants. And storing food, potatoes, ginger, turmeric. Okay, they can ability to store food. What are those types of plants? Potatoes, okay, and ginger and a turmeric. These type of plants, they store food in their stems. Okay, children, and they act as a reproductive part. Okay, stems act as a reproductive part. And another part is leaf. Another part is leaf. Do you understand until now? We learned about root system and stem system. Okay. Now another part is leaf. Please raise your hand, children. Another part is leaf. Okay. What is the functions of leaves? Okay. They work as a transpiration. Okay. Transpiration means evaporation of water from the leaves, from the tree, known as a transpiration. Evaporation of water from the leaf surface, that is known as a transpiration. Okay, and they work as a gas exchange from the leaves, and photosynthesis also happen in that leaf surface. Okay, leaves absorb sunlight and they use it to make food for the plant. Okay, who absorb sunlight? The leaves are absorb sunlight, okay, CO2 from environment, and they make food. That process known as a photosynthesis. That process known as a photosynthesis. And its important function is to perform photosynthesis. Okay, the leaf's important function is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means make food. Some plants use their leaves to store water. Cactus, for example, cactus. Some leaves act as a stored water. For example, cactus. Cactus means Brahmajamdu, Nagjamdu. Okay. So those leaves act as a storage water. And some leaves store food. For example, spinach and leafy vegetables. Okay. Those leaves act as a food store. Okay. What are the plants? Spinach. Okay. Spinach, leafy vegetables. And leaves act as a site of a transportation. Already we discussed. Okay. Leaves act as a transportation. Transportation means water evaporation from the leaf surface, known as a transpiration. Okay, that's why leaves act as a site of transpiration. And the beans. Beans means these are the beans. Please observe this picture. These are the beans. These are the beans. Okay. The beans carry the food the leaves makes to the rest of part of the plant. Okay. These beans, okay, transport food to rest of the parts of the plant. Okay, do you understand? These are the beans. They work as a transport of a food to the other body parts. Okay. And the next part is flower. The next part is flower. Until now, we learned about root system, stems, okay, and leaves, and another one is flower. They are a rich source of nectar. What do you mean nectar? Do you know, children? Please send your answer. What is nectar? Please tell me. Very good, Pranit Krishna. Please send your answer. What is nectar? Okay. Nectar means it is like a honey. Okay. It is a sweet liquid in flowers. Nectar, it is a sweet liquid, very sweet liquid in flowers. Okay. That nectar collected by the honey bees and they stored in hives. Okay. This nectar collected by honey bees and they stored in their hives. Okay. Nectar is a very sweet liquid in flowers, stored in flowers. Okay, that is nectar. So, flowers are rich source of nectar. Okay, this nectar in the flowers. And the male part of the flower is known as a stamen. Okay, this is male part, children. This is male part. Okay, the male part of the flower known as a stamen. Okay, and composed of anther and filament. Okay, this male part, this is stamen made of anther and a filament. This is filament. This part is filament. This one is anther. Okay, this one is anther. This one is filament. Okay, please see this picture. This is anther and this one is filament. Okay, do you understand? This one is anther and this one is filament. Okay, and the female part of the flower is called as a pistil. The female part of the flower is known as a pistil and it is composed of a stigma, style and ovule. Okay, this is pistil. This is female part of the flower. Okay, this is pistil. It is made with the stigma. Okay, This is stigma. Where is stigma? This is stigma. Okay, this is stigma, and this is style, and this is a pollen tube. Okay, not pollen tube. And this is ovary. Ovary means andasayam. Ovary means andasayam. This is a female part of the flower. And this is ovules. Ovules means andalu. Andal ante seeds. Okay, these are the ovule. This is ovary. Okay, this is pollen tube, and this is style, and this is stigma. These are the pistil. These are the parts in pistil. Pistil is the female part of the flower. Do you understand? Please raise your hands. What is the male part of the flower? Please type your answer. Very good, honey. Sweet liquid. Nectar means sweet liquid. What is the male part of the flower? Please send your answer. Hanish, Bhargav Sai, Jogarao, Praneeth Krishna, Padma. Okay. Remaining. Hanish. Okay, pistil. Pistil is the female part of the flower. Okay. Stamen is the male part of the flower. Very good, Jogara. Okay, Padma. Pistil is female part of the flower. Okay. Stamen is the male part of the flower. Okay, very good. Do you understand? Please raise your hand. Okay. Stamen is the male part of the flower. It has anther and filament. Okay. Here, pistil is the female part of the flower. Okay. This pistil makes with the ovule. Ovule means andalu. Okay. Ovule means seeds. And ovary. Ovary means andasayam. Okay. And pollen tube and style and stigma. These are the female parts of the flower. Okay. And flowers possess a number of other support. Just a minute. Okay. Flowers possess a number of other support structures has a petals, sepals. Okay. Not only stamen, not only pistil. Okay. Flowers also have a sepals. Okay. Petals. These are the sepals. Okay. These are the sepals. These green leaves are the called as a sepals. Okay. These are the petals. Red part known as a petals. Red part known as a petal. Okay. These are the petals. These are the sepals. Okay. So flowers have a stamen and pistil and petals and sepals. Do you understand? Please raise your hands. Very good. Okay. And flowers are work as a reproduction system is very important in function. The flowers make a pollen. Okay, the flowers make a pollen. Pollen means puppudi renuvulu. Okay, pollen means puppudi renuvulu. And which is needed to make seeds from the which new plants can grow. Okay, the flowers make a pollen and which is needed to make a seeds from which new plant can grow. Okay, the flowers make a pollen. The pollen need to make a seeds. Okay, and the new plant grow from that seeds. Okay, so the flowers act as a reproductive part of the plant. And flowers are often brightly colored. Please see this picture like that. Okay, the flowers are often brightly colored to attract birds, insects like a honeybees to spread their pollen and bring pollen from other flowers. Okay, the flowers are very beautiful in different colors. That's why those flowers attracted birds and insects, small insects. Okay, those birds and small insects carry this pollen from this flower to another flower. Okay, from this flower to another flower. Okay, that's why the plants, the flowers generate new fruits and seeds. Okay, after the fertilization process, the flowers make a fruits and seeds. Okay, after the fertilization process, the flowers makes a fruits and seeds, and flowers come in mainly different shapes in sizes. Okay, some flowers are different sizes and shapes. And then thing is fruits and seeds. Okay, another part of the plant is fruits and seeds. Okay, fruit is formed as a result of a cell division. How is the fruits formed? Those fruits form result of cell division. Okay, that's why the fruits form. And differentiation in the ovary and which transform into a fruit. Okay, just a minute. Please see this picture. This is ovary. This is ovary. Okay. It develop into fruit. Okay. These are the ovules. These ovules develop into seeds. Do you understand? Often sometimes these ovary develop into fruit. These ovules develop into seeds. Okay. Seeds are very important to plants. Seeds are very important to plants because of new plants can grow from the seeds. Okay, that's why the seeds are very important to grow plants. Okay, and the embryo inside is protected by the seed coat and which is productive in a nature. Okay, the embryo inside seed. Okay, this embryo is protected by the seed coat. Okay, the seed coat have a protective nature. And once pollen gets to the ovary and within the flower, the ovary develop into fruits. Already we discussed the ovary. Ovary means andasayam. Okay, the ovary develop into fruits and the ovules inside the ovary develop into the seeds inside the fruit. Okay, this is the fruits and seeds. Do you understand, children? Please raise your hands. Do you have any doubts? Please freely ask me. Very good, Pranit Krishna. Until now, we learn about 5 parts of the plants. Okay, what are those 5 parts? Roots, stems, flowers, leaves, fruits. Okay, these are the 5 parts of the plants. Very good. Do you have any doubts? Please tell me the ovary developed into fruits or seeds. Please tell me. The ovary developed into often sometime. Okay, Pranit Krishna. This is very important bit. Okay, the ovary develop into fruit and the ovules develop into seeds. Okay. Remaining. Pranit, Bhargav Sai, Nagarjuna, Jogarao, Padma. Do you have any doubts? Okay. Can I end this session? Please raise your hands. Very good, Padma. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.